In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this trending baby dancing video and how to make money with it within the shortest amount of time. I'm going to be breaking it down in pieces and showing you the easiest way to make this video. One thing is to learn how to make a particular kind of video. Another thing is to monetize it. And that is what I'm going to be breaking down in this video after I've shown you how to make the video. Without any further ado, let's get down to business. Let's go there. So I'm not just going to be showing you how to make the video, but I'll also show you how to make consistent money with it and how to also diversify the things you do with them within the shortest period of time. Now, first of all, this is Solo One Tricks and here is Solo Communications. Here we teach you different ways you can make money online with your smartphone from the comfort of your home. We break down every digital skills that you can make money from in the easiest way you can understand them. We don't teach you Ponzi. We teach you something that will fetch you money for the rest of your life. If this is the kind of video you want to consume, I would like you to click on the subscribe button and smash the bell icon so you'll be notified when we drop videos like that. Now, without any further ado, we're going to be going straight to my phone. Let me show you how to do it immediately. So the first stage of this whole process is to generate the image. Go to any image generation AI and then copy this prompt that I'm going to give you. I'm going to give it to you. Once you comment prompt in the comment section, I'll send it over to you. All right. Or you go to the description bar and get it. So copy this prompt. I'm going to be dropping it in the description bar, but you have to comment prompt in the comment section. Then I'll give it to you. So any image generation AI, maybe Meta AI, Grok AI, Whisk, or the rest of them. But in this case, I'm going to be using Copilot because I love Copilot so much. So this is Copilot. I'll open Copilot. Once it opens, I'll just come here, just paste the prompt and then click on generate and wait for it to generate. So let's see the image is going to generate for us. All right. So this is the first stage of the process. After we've generated the image, we are going to go to any social media platform and download the video we want to model. You understand? So okay, you can see we have the image of the beautiful girl. So we have to download it to our phone. All right. So I've downloaded it. Now click on download. You can see. So now we have to go to any social media platform and download the video we want to use. All right. So in this case, I'm going to be using TikTok and I will search this techno sound that I want to use. So I will download this girl because I like her facial expression and everything perfect and she's so beautiful. So we're going to be using this particular girl and her dance steps. So let's proceed. Now open your browser and open this website called one.video AI. So just search it on your Google and then click on the first link. Then when it opens, just click on try now. All right, click on try now and then sign up. All right, sign up with your email address. All right, I'm going to be signing up immediately directly with my email address, and then immediately you are going to be granted access to the platform. All right, now you click on check-in so that they will give you 10 credits. You are going to be using it every blessed day. You go to settings to set the aspect ratio of the video you want, maybe for YouTube, for TikTok. This is where you set it up the way you want it. Now the next thing is to switch your browser to desktop mode. We'll switch your Chrome to desktop mode. Now this will give us access to the computer view so we can get access to the whole features and we are good now. All right, now you can see the way it is. Now next step is to click on creation, click on video, scroll to the bottom and click on avatar. Click on this avatar, then click on speech to video and select photo animate. Then click on character, click on upload and then select the image you want to use. And then go back again, click on video. When it uploads, you click on video. When you click on video, you select the video you want to model. In this case, this girl is who we want to use. And that is it. Now wait for it to upload, then click on this coin icon, that is this 0, and then click on confirm. Now wait for it to generate the video. Just like that, you are good to go. Within some minutes, depending on the RAM of your device and your network, it's going to generate, and voila, you are good. So look at it, we are done and the video is ready. You can see the beautiful girl already dancing. So we have to download it. So we click on download with watermark because without watermark, we have to pay. And that is it. So let's play it and see what we have. We have done the video. The next thing is, how do we make money from this? Now, there are two basic ways you can make money from this consistently. But first of all, you have to promise me one thing. You would promise me that you are going to be consistent with whatever strategy I'm going to show you now. It is very, very easy, but it needs consistency and dedication. Trust me, if you can implement this, I'm telling you, within 3 months, you should be making like $500, $1,000 and above. I'm not telling you what is not possible. I'm telling you what we have done over time and has worked for us. Now, the first way to make money with it is by creating TikTok account. Now, by TikTok account, we don't mean Nigerian TikTok account. You know, there are countries that can be monetized on TikTok. Now, TikTok pays creators what you call creators fund in these countries. Now, you get paid by views you get. Now, the strategy is, this video is trending now and everybody likes it. In short, it has trended for like 1 month now and people are still consuming it. The strategy you are going to keep it trending for yourself is to always make it with trending sounds, trending dance, and the rest of them. Once you make it with a trend, it is definitely going to blow up, right? So you want to create this account, post this video consistently for the first 1 month. If you can post 2 times every day, that would be perfect. 3 times every day, amazing. All right. But if it's only ones that you can keep consistent, please do it like that. Now post them like that till you hit 10,000 followers. Once you hit 10,000 followers, you apply for monetization. Now somebody will say 10,000 followers is too hard to hit. No, it is not. With this kind of video, people are so addicted to them, including children and teenagers. All right. So for you to hit 10,000 followers with a trending sound or trending dance steps is very easy. In short, it is one of the easiest. This niche is one of the easiest to grow, as long as I'm concerned. All right. Once you hit it, TikTok is going to be paying you per views on your TikTok account. That is it. The next one is to create a YouTube account. Now, YouTube automation is what everybody knows that is working and making money, a whole lot of money. This is a perfect niche to go down into on YouTube automation. So go create your YouTube account and start making this video. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on shorts, please make sure you are posting shorts. 10 million views on shorts and you are good to go. That is it. You get monetized and you start making money from it. All these things requires a little bit of strategy, but if you know them yourself, you can go on and do it yourself. Now for TikTok, I have a course that is going to teach you how to actually grow your TikTok account, teach you content creation. I will link it down on my bio so you understand content creation itself and how to make your videos go viral as long as TikTok is concerned. Now for YouTube automation, I have a course also that will teach you YouTube automation, not just this. You know, one thing is to know how to make a video. One thing is to get the video to give you the result you want on YouTube. A lot of people can do this video, but they are not getting views. They are not growing their account. They don't know what keyword is. They don't know what optimization is. They don't know what SEO is. They don't know how to make good titles and the rest of them. I have linked the course in the description bar that you can get that will teach you everything. And it is very, very affordable. The 2 of them are very affordable. Get it. Once you've gotten it, you now have a digital skill that can pay you money for the rest of your life. You can now start creating other faceless YouTube channels and start making money from them. All right, you will understand everything about YouTube automation. I'm Solomon Chooks, and here is Solo Communications. We teach you different ways you can make money online, including affiliate marketing, content creation, digital marketing, and the rest of them. We'll go as far as testing platforms that promises to pay you, and if you try them out, they work. We'll bring it down here for you to make some money from it. If this is the kind of video you would like to consume, I'll beg you to click on the subscribe button and smash the bell icon. Sharing this video would also make sense for me. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Would you like me to make video on YouTube automation on niches you need to go into that would make you money very, very fast? Let me know in the comment section and I'll be there to make the video for you. I'm Solomon Chooks. I sign out.